So if you take these electrons out of the atom, and you can do that, you know that they're in different spins because they had to be in that orbit together. So now you separate them. You can separate them by any distance you want. You can separate them by centimeters in a laboratory. The Chinese have done this up to the space station that they run and back. You could conceivably do it to another galaxy. If you take those electrons and you separate them, you know that they were spinning in opposite directions. So if you take an electric field and you change the spin of one, the other one immediately changes in response.
Regardless of the distance.
Regardless of the distance. And we know this to be true. We've done this. And the amazing thing is the universe is saying these two things are the same quantum mechanical system. They're basically the same object. They're connected to each other. They're entangled together. And it doesn't matter. Space and time don't matter. You separate them in space any distance you want. How does that work? The universe says the space and time between them doesn't matter. They're the same system. To me, that's the real intriguing thing about, could a civilization learn how to harness that? You're not really even having to worry about traveling from one part to another. Did you watch the Three-Body Problem show?
Yes.
So you have these things called sophons, right? And sophons are entangled to this alien civilization. And they can respond instantaneously because they're entangled. Yes, I mean that's fantastic science, and as far as I can tell, that could be theoretically possible. Yeah.
Well, that's what's bonkers, is that we are made out of all this stuff that's entangled.
What's it entangled to? Is it entangled to stuff inside a black hole right now? Is it entangled to stuff that is on the other side of the universe from us? If the Big Bang had all of this stuff in a small volume at once, are we entangled to everything in some way? Seriously. I mean, is a part of me quantum mechanically right now in the Andromeda Galaxy? Yeah, actually. That would be the implication. I mean, talk about... I don't think we understand yet what reality is. I really don't. What does it mean? Are we all somehow the same particle, entangled to each other? Are we connected to everything all at once?